Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna go over your Epic Games account. So we're gonna create one. Just go right into Google and type in Epic Games. So just search for that. Your first option should say Epic Games. Go right into it. And then on the top right hand side, you will see this icon. Just click on it. Now, just in case this is for creating a new account, we assume that you don't have an account. Some of you may already have an account. So if you play on your Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and you've been playing Fortnite already, you most likely have an account. So go ahead and just sign in with whichever you have, okay? So you probably do have an account already. However, if you're brand new, go ahead and just sign up for one right now. Just put in your email address. So once you put in your email address, just click on continue down here below. And then it's gonna ask you for your birthday. So just put it in. Once you put in your birthday, click on continue. Then it's gonna ask you to fill up this information. So your country, first name, last name, display name, password. Your display name will be for Epic Games, so that's what people are gonna see. So for example, if you're from the US, you put United States, your name, then make up a really good password. Just make sure nobody knows it and it's really long, better. And then just click on I have read and agreed. You don't have to click here if you don't want to. Down here below, just go ahead and click on continue. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you for a code that you just sent to your email. So go to your email and you're gonna see the code that you can fill up. So the verification code email will look something like so. So you guys can see right here, this is how the verification code email looks like. And these are the numbers. We can just copy them over. Once you copy them over, just put in verify email. Obviously, your code will be different than mine. And here you are. You are officially done. You just created your Epic Games account. On the top right hand corner of your screen, you can see this and you can go into it. So for example, you're gonna see accounts, redeem code, and so much stuff. So let's just go into our account. Once we're in our account, I wanna highlight one thing. On the left hand side, you're gonna see this. Just go into apps and accounts. That's on the left hand side, apps and accounts. From here, you're gonna see all of this. So you could connect your accounts if you already have Nintendo, PlayStation, and Xbox. You can just click on connect, and you're good to go. Especially if you have Nintendo, you're gonna have to do this. But other than that, here's your Epic Games account. Enjoy it, and that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.